an ICT trader and save them. These 5 patterns show up every single day in every single market. And once you master them...
Look at this chart. This is what your guru calls analysis. Order blocks, breaker blocks, liquidity voids, fair value gaps. It looks professional, right? Wrong. It is subjectivity. If I ask 10 traders to draw an order block, I get 10 different drawings. And if you trade based on subjectivity, you don't have a business. You have a gambling addiction. Now look at this. This is data. No drawings. No guessing. No art. Just an algorithm, the IPDA, calculating the interbank price delivery levels in real time. Today, I'm going to show you why data kills theory and how to automate your 15-minute scalping once and for all. Why do you lose money? Be honest. It's not because you don't know enough concepts. It's because you hesitate. You see a setup, but then you think, is this valid? Or is it a trap? By the time you decide, the move is gone. Your guru sells you discretion. He tells you to feel the market. I'm here to tell you that discretion is the enemy of scaling. To be profitable, you need to be boring. You need a mechanical process. You need a standard operating procedure. This is the bull trading easy IPDA system. It does one thing, it decodes the algorithm behind price movement on USD pairs. Watch this. I didn't draw this box. The code did. It automatically identifies the OT, optimal trade entry. It calculates the invalidation point for the stop loss. It projects the take profit based on liquidity. My job isn't to analyze. My job is to execute. When the alert fires, I don't ask, what do I feel? I check my rules and I place the limit order. If the box fails, it's a statistical expense. If it wins, it's a statistical profit. Data doesn't care about your feelings. Now, having the level is step 1. Step 2 is execution. Most of you blow accounts because you can't calculate lot sizes fast enough. So, I'm removing that excuse too. I am giving away my personal MT for Risk Manager tool for free. You take the data from the indicator, plug it into the EA, and it calculates your risk instantly. 1% risk. Perfect math. Zero stress. You can download this tool right now in the description, hosted on the MQL5 store for your security. Listen to me carefully. The bull trading indicator is currently in a beta lifetime license. Very soon, this will change to a monthly subscription and the price will double. We are calibrating the tool for the next level of traders. If you want to lock in your access, get the data, and stop drawing imaginary lines, the link is below. Data kills theory. Choose your side.